first want to congratulate you for the trailer of Mimi, the kind of love that's coming your way. So, Bareilly ki Bitti, Mandava ki Mimi, Kriti Sanon has totally impressed me. You know, because I remember I took a conversation you and me had was like you said, I'm taking one bite at a time. When I feel the audience is confident about me, then I will take that entire slice. So ऐसा लगता है स्लाइस क्या पूरा प्लेटर ही आपके लिए है.
Thank you so much. But मतलब I think there comes a point in your career where you feel a lot more confident, where you feel a lot more confident of your craft, and also a lot more confident of the love that you're getting. So बरेली की बर्फी जब मैंने की थी तो वो थोड़ा सा मेरे लिए जोन से बाहर था, एक अलग दुनिया थी, and I felt that when people applauded that, it did give me confidence to take risks and to do something different. When a Luka Chuppi did numbers, you know, it gave me confidence कि okay, maybe you know the kind of films that I'm selecting or I'm doing, somewhere the audience is resonating with it. So yeah, I think I was at a point in my career where I was like, I want to dig in deeper and I want that full slice, and I want to somewhere lead a film, do a character that gives me a lot more to do, you know, क्योंकि बहुत कम मौके आते हैं ऐसे किसी भी एक्टर की लाइफ में. मिमी जैसे मौके बहुत कम आते हैं.
And 7 साल हो गए हैं आपको वैसे इंडस्ट्री में. So if Kriti, the Mimi Kriti, was to look back at herself when she first came in, how would you summarize it?
I was obviously very lost when I came in. I have not come from a film background. I knew nothing about acting. I just knew that it's what you feel, and what you feel is what you need to emote. And mark पता नहीं था, facing पता नहीं थी, कुछ पता नहीं था. तो वो मतलब बहुत एकदम एक बच्चा एक नई दुनिया में आ जाए तो कैसे fascinated होके आसपास देखेगा, मैं वैसी थी. And I think with me, my learning has been on the job. It's been like, as I said, baby steps. It's been, you know, wanting to at least try and grow with every film, take something from every film, you know, and try and get better at what I do. So I think it's happened organically, slowly, consciously. And slowly you start feeling a part of the industry. Slowly, when you start getting the love from the audiences, you also find your process, you find your craft, you find what works for you, you know, what we call our method. Although I still like the fact that it's not defined for me. I like still doing hit and trial and, you know, trying different things, because sometimes like some magic comes out of it, you know. मैं ये नहीं सोच के चलना चाहती हूँ कि मेरा ये ही प्रोसेस है या मैं ऐसे काम करती हूँ. आई थिंक कभी कभी कुछ नया ट्राई करो, वर्क करता है, कभी नहीं करता है, बट जब वर्क करता है so it just gets something magical. And
totally.
Yeah, so I like the fact that I've been slowly, steadily growing, because that's what I want.
Totally. And you have your lucky charm, Pankaj ji, with you. बिट्टी के पापा, and now मिमी के साथ अभी मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा है क्या रिलेशनशिप है. तो पंकज जी बताइए, आप और कृति का भी बहुत आई थिंक गहरा, यू नो, रियल रिश्ता है, एज आई वुड से.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. 3-4 फिल्में हमने 3-4 तो कर ही ली साथ में जी. और मजा आता है और यूनिक है. मतलब जैसे बिट्टी में था यूनिकनेस, वैसी इसमें है. आपने बोला आपको समझ नहीं आ रहा है, रिश्ता ही उस रिश्ते की खासियत है कि किसी को समझ नहीं आएगा.
So now ask the director.
सिर्फ ह्यूमन रिश्ता है और कुछ नहीं है
जी. And it's very, you are seen in a very different avatar, sir. मैंने आपको ऐसा नहीं देखा है.
हाँ, बिल्कुल अलग है, बिल्कुल अलग है.
So I will come to Kriti and you later. First, I'm going to ask the director. It's inspired by a story, real life story, which I remember reading in the news, which did indeed change the surrogacy law. So what drew you to this script, and also you're reuniting with your Luka Chuppi gang again?
Yeah, actually, it is Mimi is inspired by a film called Mala Ai Vaisa, which was made in like 12 years back. And when Dinu sir told me about this idea, so we all like the idea, we all like the heart of the film. But for today's audience, what kind of approach we should have, that was the question. And then we all came up with the idea that even though it's an emotional subject, even though it's it has an emotional side, but we'll add lot more colors to it. We'll create our own world, and throughout the film, we'll entertain audience and we'll make them laugh, and towards the end, we'll make them cry. So that was the clear approach we had, and yes, Rohan Shankar, our writer, he was obviously there to entertain the audience with his dialogues, and Mimi and Pankaj ji to, I mean, I said this many times, before writing, before the moment we cracked the story, without even asking them, they were there in the film.
Wow. So both of them were your go-to actors.
Yeah, in fact, me and Rohan, we उनको ध्यान में रखते हुए सीन्स लिखे.
Wow. Wow.
किस तरह से पंकज जी इसको बोलेंगे, या किस तरह से पंकज जी इसमें अचार डालेंगे, या फिर किस तरह से कृति इसमें स्वीट डालेगी, शुगर डालेगी. और आइडिया यही था कि मेरे ख्याल से कुछ भी सब्जेक्ट अगर आप अंदर से आत्मा से बनाते हो, चाव से बनाते हो, मतलब खुद मजे लेके बनाते हो, तो लोग चाव से देखते हैं.
I agree with that.
मैं कहूँगा, मेरा एक टाइम था जब मैं वड़ा पाव बेचता था, तो मैं बड़े चाव से बनाता था और लोग चाव से खाते हुए मैंने देखा था उनको. अभी मैं उतने चाव से फिल्में बनाता हूँ और उतने चाव से लोग देखते हैं. तो आई थिंक खुद पहले मजे लो, इतनी ईमानदारी से बनाओ कि लोगों को मजा ही आएगा.
Totally. And you've got the best ingredients, as I would say. And Dino, asking you, can I actually now officially say that Kriti is the lucky charm of Maddox Films?
नहीं, मैंने फ्लॉप भी दिया, ऐसा नहीं है.
फ्लॉप किसी को याद ही नहीं है.
अभी फिलहाल मिमी से पहले तो मैंने फ्लॉप ज्यादा दिए. So that's not.
So,
I think
Kriti and Maddox have embarked on a journey for a very long time, and they say that the journey has a lot of ups, downs, and I think this will be a key destination in Kriti's life. I genuinely believe. I've seen her when she was just about a film old, and rough around the edges, and but pure. She was hungry. She was pure. She had an actor in her, and I think she went on a journey to find that. And I believe with this, she's finally come home to that. And the only thing I think she's understood that you can never understand it. You can just keep going. And I'm very, very proud of her, to be honest. More than, Lucky Charm. I feel that what she's been able to pull off emotionally and physically is something that is going to, define her next 10 years. And I'm just happy that's happened. She very fondly calls Maddox her home. And I'm happy it happened here, more than anything else.
Absolutely. No, I am totally happy for her too. And yeah, heart indeed, because I have tracked her journey also for the past 7 years. And each time she just impresses with me more. And Pankaj ji likewise. So coming to both you actors, as the director has said, it was written with both of you in mind. What was your reason, Kriti, when the script was given to you? You wanted to headline something like this. But what was that go-to that made you say, I am doing this? Like, there were no doubts.
I think like Dinu said that I heard it and I felt I can't not do it.
Yeah.
It was more of that feeling. And I remember he narrated, that time they had not written the screenplay dialogues of it. It was just the one line of the film. And he narrated that on a flight. And he has a habit when he talks, he also ends up kind of building the plot, while he's talking to you. And he just, I think the one line of this girl, where she comes from, her dreams is something that I connect to. She wants to become an actress. She believes in herself. She's willing to take risks. And when something like this happens to her, where she agrees to become a surrogate and then they leave her with the child in a womb, and it's a flip. It's a character that has so much, like it starts somewhere, it ends somewhere else. And also the thought that the film leaves you with, I always felt like, the film that I want to lead or like have more on my shoulders, be responsible a little bit more for, it should have a lot of heart and soul. And this film kind of had all of that. And when, of course, jab dialogues वगैरह लिखे गए, तो I was so pleasantly surprised that it became a really entertaining film with heart and soul in it. That's rare, you know. These films can get heavy, and I love that it's got so much humor in it, and it's just gonna make you laugh, and it's a roller coaster of emotions for me, you know. And I, as an audience, love watching something like that. That moves me, that makes me laugh, that makes me cry, that just, you know, leaves me with like this happy feeling at the end. So this was all of it.
Awesome. एंड पंकज जी, आप और कृति का भी जितना भी मैंने ट्रेलर में देखा है, कॉमिक टाइमिंग बहुत सही बैठता है आप दोनों का, और इमोशनल क्वोशंट भी बहुत सही बैठता है। ये आप दोनों क्या, आई मीन, डू यू समटाइम्स फील कि सर्टेन एक्टर्स के साथ ऐसा इक्वेशन रहता है, और डू यू नीड टू वर्क ऑन इट?
नहीं, वर्क ऑन इट ही होता है। हम साथ ही काम करते हैं, जब दो प्रोफेशनल मिलते हैं तो वो एक दूसरे को समझ जाते हैं, एक दूसरे की भावनाओं को पकड़ लेते हैं, हम एक दूसरे की आंखों के थ्रू आत्मा को देख लेते हैं। तो वही वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल्स हैं, इसी बात की प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं, ट्रेनिंग कर रहे हैं या चाहते हैं, तो वो एक कनेक्ट बन जाता है किसी भी को एक्टर के साथ में। अगर 2-3 फिल्में की हो तो और थोड़ी सहजता आ जाती है, क्योंकि वी नो ईच अदर, हम पहले से जानते हैं। तो
पर पता है क्या, एक और चीज होती है कि अगर आप एक दूसरे के साथ काम कर चुके हैं और आपको थोड़ा बहुत, अगर वो जैसा आपने बोला कि वो केमिस्ट्री ऑलरेडी होती है या काम करते हैं, कई बार होती भी है, क्योंकि और तभी a lot of the moments that you end up creating off the script, you know, in your improvisations end up making to the trailer. Like this, मेरा फिगर तो खराब नहीं होगा ना, और पंकज सर ने बोला नो, ये स्क्रिप्ट में नहीं था उस टाइम पर, he just said no, and my instinct was, how is he saying no, तू कर चुका है क्या? So, and then he said no again in a different tone, and that was like very instinctive at that point. It just happened. And so many times, like so many, when the chemistry is actually there, it just like you are listening to the other person, you know, you are listening to what he's saying and you are reacting to it, like, and that ends up making to the trailer always.
Absolutely, that's amazing. हाँ जी, और आप पंकज जी एक बात बताइए, आपकी क्या वजह थी टू से यस टू दिस पर्टिकुलर किरदार?
देखिए, एक छोटी सी कहानी सुनाता हूँ। मैं मुंबई एक्टर बनने आया था और फिल्मों के लिए अंधेरी में घूमते रहता था, अंधेरी, खार, बैंड्रा, दफ्तर टू दफ्तर, वॉक इन करता था, ऑडिशन में, वॉक इन ऑडिशन में। एक दिन वैसे ही मैं घर के नीचे घूम रहा था, वॉक कर रहा था, और ये फिल्म मुझे मिल गई। तो पहले अंधेरी में 8 साल घूमे, फिल्में नहीं मिलती थी, एक दिन बिल्डिंग के नीचे घूम रहा था और लक्ष्मण जी आए नीचे, हम लोग एक ही बिल्डिंग में रहते थे, वो भी वॉक करने आए स्पोर्ट्स जूता पहन के, बोले अरे सर, हाँ वॉक कर रहे हो? मैं बोला हाँ। तो एक आइडिया आया है। मतलब क्या आइडिया है? तो चलो अब हम दोनों वॉक कर रहे हैं और 1 घंटे तक हमने पूरी नरेशन कर ली घूमते घूमते, और एक वॉक खत्म होते होते मैंने सुझाव दे दिया कि इसमें ना बिगनिंग का सीन थोड़ा ऐसा ट्विक कर देना।
That's amazing.
इन्होंने बोला यस, ये सही आइडिया है, और बस फिल्म डन, नरेशन खत्म हो गई, मीटिंग। प्रोड्यूसर को भी नहीं मालूम, हम घूमते हुए फिल्म कर ली।
एक घूमते हुए हाँ कह दी, और कृति और डीनो ने फ्लाइट पे हाँ कह दी। अमेजिंग।
फ्लाइट में तो समझ लीजिए कि जब फिल्में आपके नसीब में मिलनी होती हैं तो आसमान में भी मिल सकती है, गार्डन में भी मिल सकती हैं।
I totally agree. Deserve a clap on that. Totally. कृति एक बात बताओ, आपकी इंडस्ट्री में ना, जैसे I know you are very athletic, you look amazing, but gaining and reducing weight is quite a risk for actors, you know. We've seen the men doing it, and you know, but women get a little conscious because then you're called out. अरे आज लगता नहीं है इसने आज ऐसा कुछ किया है, ऐसा, you know, you're scrutinized. So what was it like for you? Were you a little scared?
I was not scared of how I will look, or oh my god, I will look fat. I think it's also to do with the fact that I've never felt conscious of my body because I've been a skinny girl. So मुझे कभी वो feeling नहीं रही है कि मेरे को पता ही नहीं कि मैं कैसी लगूंगी मोटी, तो it was almost that. I was scared कि मैं कैसे मोटी हूँ, मतलब because I am someone who, touchwood में इतने interviews में बोल चुकी हूँ, मुझे लग रहा है मेरा metabolism चला जाएगा, but my metabolism has been very good, and I am that person who eats everything, and burger, pizza, dal makhani, butter chicken is all that I eat normally.
लगता नहीं है मगर हाँ,
मैंने body is burning everything that I'm eating, and that's the metabolism that I have. So we all were just scared कि how अभी तो सब खा रही है, and everyone had seen me hogging anyways. So they were like इतना खा के ऐसी है तो कितना खाएगी फिर? So I had to go on that diet. I had to force myself to increase my appetite. You know, have more than what I normally do in one go. Which means that जब आपका पेट भर गया है आप और खाओ, which is not normal, and it kind of feels stuffy. You feel pukish. Having fried cheesy food, dessert after every main meal, it just gets too much in a day. Even if I'm having water, my dietitian would be like, नहीं उसमें मीठा नींबू पानी पी लो थोड़ी और calories चली जाए. So it was just constantly taking in calories, not working out at all. मैं athletic दिखती हूँ, मैं हूँ नहीं बिल्कुल भी हाँ. It's actually a myth. मुझे देख के लगता है, but I'm not athletic at all. But I do still work out, and here I was not allowed to do yoga also. Stretching भी नहीं करनी है क्योंकि उसमें भी आपके थोड़ी सी calories burn हो जाएंगी. मैं नहीं चाहती कि ऐसा हो. So after 2-3 months of not working out, putting on 15 kilos, which your body has never been used to, you start feeling unfit. My knees were clicking. I remember when I was sitting on the floor for a scene, to get up from the floor was a little bit of an effort, which was scary, and I was like, this is not normal. मुझे वो scenes में 5-6 किलो की belly पहनकर मैंने सदियों से वर्कआउट नहीं किया था, भागी नहीं थी, और अभी 15 किलो के ऊपर 5 किलो पहनकर चप्पल में स्ट्रीट्स पे भागना था, which I realized after the day. मैं शूट में होती हूँ तो मुझे कुछ पता नहीं चलता, मुझे लगी है, दर्द हो रहा है क्या, कुछ नहीं समझ में आता, बट जब रात को लेटो, then suddenly like my whole body was paining. That 5 kilos was like here. So जैसे pregnant women end up getting back pains and back problems, I was having the same thing with that belly. So I feel like physically it was something very challenging and very draining, something I had not done before. I was not scared of being judged. Yes, I could not do anything else in that time because I couldn't take up any project because I couldn't look like Mimi in any other film. So that was there, but I wasn't scared of body shaming. I was just scared of how would I do this.
I mean, you managed to do that, amazing, and it's also really nice to show that women need to be comfortable in their skin, and especially when top actors like you headline projects like that. And I'm sure you've now newfound respect for your moms. Mom से ना जब खुद माँ बनते हैं तो पता चलता है, माँ screen पे बन गई हो. So did you do this?
No, moms also and pregnant women also. I have so much respect for them. It's like so much they go through. You know how much research I did on it. It just made me feel like, my God, when a woman is pregnant, there's so much that's happening in her body we don't even realize.
True.
And
Totally.
karna to khair, it's another level.
True. And Lakshman and Dino, coming back to both of you, also as a director and as producers, I mean, when you're working with talented actors like this, does it also give it your comfort level, and do you keep going back? Like they spoke about their chemistry. Is it easy for you also as creators to fall back on actors that you've worked with before because you know they will deliver?
Yeah, I mean, from Mimi, in Mimi's case, of course, I had worked with Kriti in Luka Chuppi. So even though Luka Chuppi was it's a rom-com film, you know, but there was one emotional scene on the terrace where Kriti is crying, and very innocently she's saying, "I want to get married." And after seeing that scene, I knew Kriti can pull off anything. She's that talented. And with Pankaj ji, मुझे मेरा लाइफ में थोड़ा इजी आदमी हूँ, मुझे ज्यादा कॉम्प्लिकेशंस पसंद नहीं है. तो लोग जितने कंफर्टेबल आजू बाजू में हो उतना शायद मैं अच्छा काम निकाल सकता हूँ, लेकिन कॉम्प्लिकेटेड लोग होंगे तो मैं खुद बह जाता हूँ. तो मेरे लिए वही था कि पंकज जी के साथ तो वो इंसान ही इतने प्यारे हैं, मैं उनको जितना जानता हूँ, जितना भी जानता हूँ, मुझे पता है उनके साथ एक बहुत ही अच्छी बॉन्डिंग है मेरी. और कृतिका और मेरा रिलेशन ऐसा है, मैं पिछले भी एक इंटरव्यू में कहा था, जैसा मिमी में पंकज जी का और कृतिका है, अनुभव, you know, even if we don't call each other, but still that bonding, that love is there, I mean, somewhere.
Awesome.
So mera, to be very frank, I wanted to be comfortable.
और मेरे को ये सुनने में आया, आप लुका छुपी 2 भी बना रहे हो?
दिनू सर,
हाँ बताओ ना डिनो सर, ये भी आ गया, अनाउंसमेंट हो गया लुका छुपी 2।
अभी क्या है ना, स्क्रिप्ट तभी लॉक होती है जब पिछली पिक्चर निकल जाती है। तो आई थिंक लक्ष्मण सर जैसे ना लुका छुपी 2 स्क्रिप्ट्स के साथ खेल रहे हैं अभी। उनको ये भी स्क्रिप्ट पसंद है, ये भी स्क्रिप्ट पसंद है, ये भी स्क्रिप्ट पसंद है। तो आई थिंक ही विल डिसाइड। बट टू टेक योर लास्ट क्वेश्चन, इट वाज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग, यू नो, कि yes, people do develop comfort level, like in, you know, every film takes a little part of you. And I think जैसे हम बोलते हैं ना लाइफ में 4-5 ही अच्छे दोस्त होंगे, वैसे I feel there are, you know, few actors you'll always get along with, and it doesn't matter how many times you speak. So yes, with both Lakshman and me have the same equation with Kriti, of course, and also with Pankaj sir. Like Pankaj sir says, na every 4th or 5th day in the set he'll get a call from me कि हाँ sir कैसा चल रहा है, that will be the call. And from his voice I'll know where we are at, and you know, where's it going. But for this particular film, I don't think it is comfort level. I believe this film has a destiny of its own. I feel generally actors, ये film ने हम सबको चुना है. The way you know, the remake came to me, what Lakshman did with it, how Pankaj ji heard it on the ground, how Kriti heard it in the sky. It's almost like the film has decided that, you know, this is Bhanu, this is Mimi, this is Lakshman, he's going to direct it. And it's happened like that because this film was not meant to be. I remember a time पे Pankaj ji को मैंने phone किया था. We were having some little date thing, and I said ये वाली तो करनी, and he also said the same thing कि ये वाली तो करनी, you know. Wow. And so this film was not replaceable, and I don't think I want to make those films कि चलो ये नहीं तो इसके साथ हो जाए. मैं जिंदगी में ऐसा काम नहीं करना चाहता हूँ, you know. Absolutely. But I feel this particular film has chosen all of us.
I totally agree with that, and also Kriti and Pankaj ji, both of you are the most sought after actors, and both of you have been very very candid about your journeys, because Kriti bhi boli hai, Pankaj ji aap bhi bole, auditions diye hain, hum reject hue hain, we made it on our own. But now having come this way and now having people chase you, what would you say has been that X factor when it comes to both of you, and what would you want to say out? What has changed now? What is different?
आप बोलो ना, मैं क्या बोलूं.
मैं क्वेश्चन ही भूल गई इतने टाइम में, एक्चुअली सॉरी.
Pankaj ji's become younger. Pankaj ji's become younger. He's working out. He's, you know, we're going to cast him as, he's played the father. He's played the father. He is the lead actor of this film. We're going to have to do that. So he's played the father. Now he's played the contemporary, and now he's going to play Kriti's son in the next film. So we'll complete all the three journeys.
Sahi mein.
Sorry, Pooja, can you repeat your question again?
Yeah, I was like, you know, you've been very candid about your journey in the past 7 years, saying that I auditioned, I got rejected, but I carved my path. I have come this far, and now you're headlining the top projects. You've seen your roster step for everyone to see and proved yourself as an actor. What do you think has changed for you and the industry in the past 7 years vis-a-vis your relation with the industry? What has changed?
I think there's obviously been, I'm a lot more confident of what I'm doing. I am a lot more confident of my craft, of how I approach scenes differently than what I used to when I just entered the industry. I know more people, I've worked around more, you know, and I found my little space here, and I feel more at home. So all those things are there. I think what has changed right now is that probably the kind of opportunities I have in front of me are more in number and better in quality. And I'm getting to choose from that. When you come in and when you come from nowhere, तो आपके सामने जो होता है आप उसमें से बेस्ट चूज करते हैं जो आपको लगता है. धीरे धीरे जब वो अपॉर्चुनिटी, तब अलग प्रॉब्लम होती है कि सामने इतना है नहीं जो चाहिए, और धीरे धीरे एक अच्छी वाली प्रॉब्लम होती है कि बहुत सारी अच्छी चीजें हैं पर उनमें से क्या करना चाहिए उस टाइम पर. So I think I mean it's obviously a different feeling. It's probably, I can say, and I'm slowly like feeling it, and I won't be modest about it. I'm just feeling it's probably the best phase of my career so far, and I want to at this point pause and just enjoy this feeling.
Absolutely.
And of course keep working, because I think I'm becoming a bit of a workaholic. I love being on set. I love being in front of the camera, and I love when I'm doing different kind of roles and not being put in a box or given a label, and I just like that. So I'm enjoying it right now.
Absolutely, and you should. And
There's something that doesn't change also. So with everything that's changed, she still asks as many questions. Correct, Lakshman sir?
Yes.
That never change.
Yes.
Correct, Pankaj ji.
I will always continue to, because I don't know any other way of
Don't defend it. Don't. You said now you gave your piece. So one thing that will never change, even if she goes wherever to Mars and becomes an actor, she'll still ask as many questions.
An engineer here, and I will always.
She's a Prussian chart. You know, when astrologers do Prussian charts, she's a Prussian chart.
I was just about to say engineer है, सवाल पूछती रहेगी, ये इसके ज़हन में है तो
कोई सीखने का तरीका नहीं है.
सही में. पंकज जी, अभी आपको तो किसी का बेटा बना रहे हैं हम अगली पिक्चर में, और I mean 8 साल पहले जब आप अंधेरी में घूमते थे, मगर अब तो आप सबकी वो लिस्ट पे हो, तो आपके लिए कैसा है? What is that one change you want to see? आपका तो चेंज आपने देख लिया.
मैंने वो बताया ना कि पहले मैं फिल्में खोजता था, फिल्में मुझे खोजती हैं, लेकिन जब फिल्में आपको खोजने लगती हैं तो सेम टाइम रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी और ट्रस्ट बढ़ जाता है, जिम्मेदारियां भी बढ़ जाती हैं कि हम क्या करें, कैसा करें, लोगों ने ट्रस्ट जो दिखाया है, बना है, उसको बचा के रखें, ऑडियंस का ट्रस्ट बढ़ता है. ये स्थिति आती है, उसमें बहुत बड़ा फैक्टर दर्शकों का है, ऑडियंस का, तो जिम्मेदारी बढ़ जाती है कि यार हम जो करें वो अच्छा हो. वो ज्यादा उम्मीद लोग जो करते हैं, एक फिल्म मेकर, एक दर्शक, उस उम्मीद पे खरे उतरे, उसके लिए थोड़ी मेहनत ज्यादा करनी पड़ती है, आपको थोड़ा एफर्ट ज्यादा लगाना पड़ता है. बाकी जो थोड़ा बहुत चेंजेस होता है वो बैंक अकाउंट में, वो पेपर पे होता है, वो ऐसे लाइफ में नहीं होता है.
And that was Pankaj's response once when I asked him about the 100 crore club. वो मुझे कह रहे हैं, किसी और को इन्होंने कहा कि यार व्यूअर को क्या, उसके बैंक में तो नहीं आ रहे ना वो करोड़, तो आप लोग क्यों बैठ के गिन रहे हो? That also was the point. But also, Kriti, with this OTT and the kind of content which is to all of you, I'm asking Kriti first is because a lot of women are now headlining projects, and directors and producers like Dino, actors are willing to invest in those projects and those stories. Do you think this period has also been a game changer of sorts?
Yes, I don't know if it's only because of OTT, because I think it was somewhere slowly happening where there were many films which were written around a female protagonist, and it's a good change. It's a slow change, but it's happening slowly. I think it's a circle where, you know, women also are choosing to do stronger roles, and they're choosing to, you know, be a part of these kind of projects. There are filmmakers who are putting their money and, you know, making projects like this. Now, when these films start doing well, I feel like it just gives all these filmmakers a lot more confidence, you know, to like put in a lot more money, get more projects like this. So I feel like it's somewhere a circle, I think, and I'm glad that it's happening, because it's high time that we don't categorize films in female-centric and male-centric. Male-centric तो बोलते ही नहीं है. But I hope कि एक दिन आके female-centric बोलना बंद कर दें हम.
वो कर देंगे, हो रहा है.
In fact, that's a very important point. I feel one thing that I hope Mimi changes is, you know, films are a story and delivered by actors, male or female. So I think 3-4 years back tha ke women, I feel that has changed. It's not changing anymore. That change has happened right now. And I feel more than, you know, female, male, it will be the story. Yes. If you make a good film and if you put it out with all honesty, it's going to take the example of, you know, Hindi medium, take the example of just Mimi, take the example of so many films that Ayushmann also did in the beginning, right? Then you create an identity. But I think if the story, you are brave enough to pick a story, you know, and the only thing that I would, you know, urge makers to do is to tell it in a format, you know, tell it in a way like how Lakshman said, where you engage everybody and you don't alienate. And if you start doing that, it won't exist. It will be actors doing stories. That's all it will be. And that's what I hope Mimi changes.
पंकज जी, आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
नहीं, कुछ नहीं.
ठीक है. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. And Kriti, जाते I just want to tell you, in the past 1.5 years, you have inspired with your positivity on, say, social media, and it's really endearing. You've been through your own personal losses and, you know, fought things, but your positivity has spoken out. So thank you, and I hope you're okay.
Oh, sweet.
क्या बात है, बहुत सुंदर, बहुत सुंदर.
Thank you. बहुत अच्छी कविता लिखती हैं, बहुत अच्छी कविता लिखती हैं ये.
हाँ, I know.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Bye bye.